And here's the little fan. For such a little fan, it puts out a lot of air. Here it has 3 settings. Low, medium, high, you can have the light on or off. The light is really bright, which is really good for if you need light out at night, which we do because we live in the desert and there's scorpions. So you need a bright light to watch where you're walking when you're taking your pets out at night to go to the bathroom. So it comes with this remote that you can hang on the wall, or you can not hang it on the wall. It has timers, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, which is good because I can set the fan portion and have it turn off. If I forget to turn it off before bed, it'll turn off all by itself, which is nice. All in all, we really, really love this little fan. And I love the color, it's black. And here's the fan at night to show you how bright that little light is and how much light it shines onto my patio.